Before you pull the trigger on buying PU Prime, there are a few things you need to know that can make or break your decision. While it's a powerful tool, like any product, it's not for everyone. I've tested it extensively, and in this video, I'll give you the 7 key things you absolutely need to know before diving in. Stick around because by the end, I'll tell you how to get the best offer and some exclusive bonuses you won't find elsewhere. First things first, one of the biggest reasons people are flocking to PU Prime is its smooth user experience. Compared to other platforms like MetaTrader or TradingView, PU Prime has streamlined its interface to make it more intuitive for both beginners and pros. I've used other platforms, and while they offer more complex tools, PU Prime does an excellent job of balancing ease of use with advanced features. You'll find the learning curve a lot gentler than with many competitors. Next thing to consider is their customer support. This is a deal breaker for many traders. I've had my fair share of frustrating experiences with slow or unhelpful support teams, but PU Prime stands out here. They offer 24/5 live chat, and I've had responses within minutes, which is impressive compared to other brokers who can leave you hanging for hours. If you're new to trading or just want to ensure you're never stuck with an issue, this level of support is something you'll appreciate. The third thing is their range of products. PU Prime offers a variety of markets, including Forex, stocks, and commodities. If you're coming from a platform like eToro, which also has a broad selection, you might find PU Prime's range a bit more focused. They don't stretch themselves too thin, which means the tools and resources they provide are optimized for the products they offer. This level of specialization can really make a difference if you're into specific markets. The fourth thing to keep in mind is their fee structure. Unlike some platforms that advertise low spreads but hide fees in other areas, PU Prime is transparent with its costs. For traders, that means you won't be surprised by hidden fees down the line. It's worth noting that their spreads are competitive, but depending on your trading style, you might want to compare it against other options like IG or Oanda to see which platform gives you the best cost efficiency for your trades. Now, the fifth thing I want to highlight is security. PU Prime uses top-tier encryption and offers two-factor authentication, which are both essential for safeguarding your account. When compared to other brokers, you'll find that PU Prime takes its security seriously. If you're someone who values the safety of your funds and data, this should give you peace of mind. The sixth thing is their mobile app. A lot of traders, especially on the go, need to have access to their accounts anytime. The PU Prime mobile app is surprisingly well designed, with all the core features available. If you're coming from a competitor like Plus500, you might notice that the PU Prime app offers a more polished and seamless experience, especially when it comes to executing trades quickly from your phone. The seventh and final thing to know is the demo account. Whether you're a beginner or someone testing new strategies, PU Prime's demo account lets you practice risk-free. Unlike some competitors who limit demo accounts in terms of features or duration, PU Prime gives you a full experience, which is a great way to get comfortable before trading with real money. So, there you have it. 7 things you need to know about PU Prime before buying. If you're ready to try it out for yourself, I've linked the best offer down in the description. By clicking the first link, you'll get access to a completely free trial of PU Prime with some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Take advantage of the best offer available right now.